Before we begin, tage a second to subscribe to this channel. If you respect history, value real money, and understand the power of rare kinds, this channel is built for you. Subscribe now, because what you are about to hear may change the way you look at old kinds forever. In a quiet drawer, inside an old tin, or hidden among forgotten chang, lies a kind most people would ignore. Small, copper-colored, almost weightless. Yet this kind carries the weight of history, mystery, and unimaginable value. Today, we are talking about the South Africa sent kind from 1970 on. To the untrained eye, it looks ordinary. To a serious collector, it is anything but ordinary. This kind represents the final breath of an era, the last echo of small change before the world moved on, and for men who understand legacy, patterns, and long-term worth, this story will hit home. The year 1970 was not just another year. South Africa was changing. The economy was shifting. Inflation was rising. The cost of producing small denomination kinds was beginning to exceed their face value. The cent kind was already becoming impractical. People stopped using its shops rounded bricks. Children lost interest. But men still produced a limited number. This would become one of the final low denomination kinds of its kind. This was not mass history. This was silent history. And silent history often becomes the most valuable. The 1970 on a half-cent kind was struck in bronze, giving it a warm, yachty tone. Its size was modest, its design simple, and its presence subtle. Yet its craftsmanship reflected a time when kinds were built to last, not to be replayed. Every rich, every marking, every line was intentional. This was not disposable currency. This was a product of pride in minting. Men who grew up handling real money, not plastic cards, understand this difference immediately. Here is where the story becomes serious. Uhile many half-cent kinds were minted over the years, very few survived in pristine condition. Most were used, scratched, damaged, or melted down. Others vanished into collections never to be seen again. What truly separates the 1970 is specific minting variations, subtle errors, and near-perfect condition examples that were never meant to exist. Collectors know this rule: the rarer the survival, the greater the value, and survival, in this case, is everything. Men over 55 understand something younger generations often miss: value is not always loud. This kind doesn't scream. It whispers. It speaks of patterns. Of holding on to something others discard. Of recognizing importance before the world agrees. It is the same mindset that builds wealth, preserves family heritage, and earns respect. That is why this kind resonates deeply with experienced collectors and investors. There are stories within collector circles. Quiet conversations. Private showings. Kinds passed hand to hand without publicity. Some 1970 on a half-cent kinds are renowned to exist with unique characteristics that were never officially documented. These are the kinds that never reached the open market. These are the kinds that change hands behind closed doors. And when on a surface, the world pays attention. Condition matters more than age. A coin untouched by calculation, protected from moisture, handled with care, and preserved for decades becomes more than metal. It becomes an artifact. Collectors pay premiums not for what a coin was, but for how well it survived time. Tis is uhere legends are mad. Many people unknowingly gave tese kinds away. Others spent time without talked. Some children played with them. But a few individuals kept them, stored them, and forgot about them. Those individuals made no noise. They waited and know the waiting has meaning. Now listen carefully. In elite collector discussions, in private valuation calculus, and in whispered negotiations, on a number continues to surface for an exceptional on 1970 on a South Africa cent kind, not thousands. Not hundreds of thousands. At the very top tier, under extremely rare conditions, this kind has been valued at up to $9 million. Yes. $9 million. Not for every kind. Not for damaged examples. But for the rarest, cleanest, most historically significant survivors. Isiphetho history rewards those who respect it. This kind is not about poke-chang. It is about foresight. About understanding rarity before it becomes obvious. About holding something small that turns out to be pretyless. If you or someone you know owns old South African kinds, especially the on 1970 on a half cent, it may be time to look again. Really look. And if you value stories like this, stories of great power and hidden worth, subscribe to this channel. Because history still has many secrets left to reveal, the smallest kind can carry the greatest value.